Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn a piece of paper into a book.
Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Trista. But anyway, let's begin. Fold the paper in half and open it back up. And do it again the other way. You will have 4 equal sections. Fold both sides toward the middle line. You'll get a grid of 8 rectangles. Fold the right hand side to the first fold. Make a mark 5 cm from the middle. Cut diagonally toward the point that the folds meet. Unfold the paper. Start from the left-hand side. Fold the paper to the last fold. Then do exactly the same thing what we did, but from the other side. Please unfold the paper. You can see a zigzag in the center of the paper. Pinch both sides of paper and push toward the center. Then you'll get a cross. That's it. Finally, collect the pages to make a book. Now we have a little booklet in the shape of a house. I am going to draw it as my stay-at-home diary. Every day I wake up in the sunshine. Well, sometimes it rains. Then I make myself breakfast. Fried eggs, bread, sandwich, sometimes toast with Nutella. Oh well, it's not super healthy, but I love it. Then I draw, and draw. My neighbor's cat comes to visit sometimes. I play with him. but of course, we keep some social distance. I miss the days that we can go out and enjoy the sun. But I'm also grateful that I'm healthy and safe at home. So, what's your date like? What have you been up to? Make your own lockdown diary and share with me. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.